In this video, I will show you the best 30-second strategy for binary trading. If you want to open fast trades and grow your account, this method is perfect for you. You will see everything from more settings to real analysis and signals. So if you watch the video really carefully, it will not be difficult for you to repeat what you saw and make profit today. Now we will take an important step before starting to work with the strategy, which is correct configuration of the account. So as not to be mistaken, watch carefully and just repeat after me. I will use the chart type candle. The time frame will be 30 seconds. And now you need to turn on the indicators. In the list of indicators, I will choose MACD, RSI and zigzag. And now you need to adjust the settings. Zigzag indicator parameter deviation will increase to 7, depth will be 13, backstep will make 5. And now go to the MACD settings. Fast period are reduced to 7, slow period is 23, and signal period is 6. It is necessary for the chart to react more clearly for the price change. And now set up the RSI. The period of the indicator will reduce to 7. And that's it. Everything is ready to work. I will open trades and show you in detail how to work with the strategy. And after watching the video, I'm sure you will have no questions. So let's get it started. In the videos, I show only a part of the whole picture, and in Telegram, I share the whole process of analysis, from levels to specific scenarios. This is my working tool, and it's open for everyone. Click on the link under the video, follow, and write to me personally. Found the situation where you can open a trade and get the first profit. Trading time, I will use 1 minute and start with $200. My forecast is that the price will increase, so I'll press the buy button to open a trade. And great, the trade is open, so we can look into the situation in more detail. The zigzag indicator line moving from minimum to maximum price. Now the indicator line is fixed under the price chart, and this means that the price has reached its minimum level and must start to rise. And according to the graph, it is the right indicator trigger, the price goes up. But to open a trade, it's too early. Now we need to check MACD. I'm interested in the 0 level at this indicator. The graph of the indicator began to build above it, which means an increase in price. The indicator lines also crossed each other, which means a change of trend. So now it has become ascending. And finally, let's check RSI. The indicator line was below level 30, the price fell, and as soon as the price started to rise, the indicator line was also directed upwards. And as you've already understood, all three indicators point an increase in price, which means that the market is indeed on a rising trend and the price will rise. Everything is as simple as possible, guys. All three indicators give a signal and you need to see it and just open a trade. And a bit later, I will also tell you about the rules of working with this strategy. Well, the first profitable trade increases my capital to $1,984. For now, let's not waste time, keep working, and I'm already looking for the following situation. After a few minutes of searching, I found another situation that will help us to make profit. This time the amount of trading will be $300, and let's open the trade to reduce the price. And let's repeat everything again. Zigzag indicator line was pointed up, it is fixed above the maximum price, so now the price will go down. The MACD indicator confirms the price decrease, the indicator chart has started to build below 0 level, and the indicator lines have already crossed each other. According to the RSI chart, I also understand that the price will fall. The indicator line has already crossed level 70 and now it is below it. So the downward trend has formed and the price will fall. When working with the strategy, approach the selection of the currency pair correctly. The charts of currency pairs in which the trend changes very often are absolutely not suitable. In such currency pairs, it's really difficult to make profit because of their instability. Also note that it is only possible to open trades when all three indicators show the same trend. If at least one of the indicators conflicts with the rest, you cannot open a trade. If you want to work with a different time frame or trading time, then the settings also will have to be edited, remember that. So for now, let's just see the situation through. And at the last moment, the price dropped and I made my profit finally, guys. So now my capital is $2,260. And that's just for a couple of profitable trades, guys. There are a few more trades ahead. And what do you think? What will be the final result of the session? We'll see that soon. This time the trade amount will be $400 and I think the price will go down. So open the trade. And I already dealt with the same situation in the previous trade, guys. All three indicators show a decrease in price, so the downward trend has started. For now, I want to give you one piece of advice. Always set for yourself certain clear goals that need to be achieved over a period of time. These goals must be realistic and achievable, so you will not only motivate yourself to continue working, but also approach each trade in more detail. You should not work just like that, guys. You must always have a clear plan what you want to get starting the session. And bingo, guys, the trade is profitable. I see that on the account already amount of $2,620. For now, I will find another situation and open the last trade. I think in this situation, I have all the chances to make profit. And I opened the trade for $500. And I see that the indicators gave a signal and the price started to rise. I think this rising trend will be really strong. And as you see, the strategy really works. I showed you its effectiveness, and then, guys, it's up to you. Be sure to try it in your work, and I hope you will use it often. And yes, friends, 4 out of 4 trades are profitable. Now on the account amount of $3,080. Today's session is a reminder that trading is not a race. While one tries to catch everything, I just take my points and go on. Because, guys, remember, your goal is not to earn fast, but to earn stable. And of course, write in the comments below how you determine when it's time to stop.